If you're planning to start selling online, you've probably asked yourself this question: should you sell on Amazon, eBay, or Shopify? Each platform has millions of users, but they're designed for different types of sellers and business models. In this comparison, we'll look at the strengths and weaknesses of each platform, compare the most important features, and choose an overall winner at the end. Amazon is the world's largest online marketplace and gives sellers access to millions of active customers. One of its biggest advantages is the amount of traffic it already has. You don't have to spend as much time finding customers because they're already shopping on Amazon every day. Amazon also offers fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, where the company stores, packs, and ships your products while also handling much of the customer service. This makes Amazon an excellent option for people who want to build an e-commerce business without managing every shipment themselves. However, there are some disadvantages. Competition is extremely high. Selling fees can reduce your profits. And because you're selling on Amazon's marketplace, you have very little control over branding or customer relationships. If you're looking to build your own brand, Amazon isn't always the best long-term solution. eBay works differently. Instead of focusing only on new products, it's also one of the best platforms for used, collectible, refurbished, vintage, and hard-to-find items. Selling on eBay is generally easier for beginners who only have a few products or want to sell items they already own. You can choose fixed-price listings or auction-style listings depending on what you're selling. Another advantage is that niche products often perform well because buyers specifically search for rare or unique items. On the downside, traffic depends heavily on your listings, competition varies by category, and managing shipping is usually your responsibility unless you use third-party fulfillment services. It's excellent for individual sellers, but less ideal for building a large branded online store. Shopify is completely different from Amazon and eBay. Instead of selling on someone else's marketplace, Shopify allows you to build your own online store with your own branding, domain name, products, and customer experience. You have full control over your website, pricing, marketing, and customer relationships. This makes Shopify the preferred option for entrepreneurs who want to build a long-term brand instead of relying on a marketplace. It also integrates with payment processors, inventory systems, email marketing, social media, and hundreds of business tools through its app marketplace. The biggest challenge with Shopify is that it doesn't automatically bring customers to your store. Unlike Amazon or eBay, you'll need to generate your own traffic using SEO, social media, paid advertising, email marketing, or content creation. That means growing a Shopify store often requires more work in the beginning. Which one offers the best value? If your goal is reaching millions of buyers as quickly as possible, Amazon is hard to beat. If you mainly sell second-hand products, collectibles, electronics, or unique items, eBay remains one of the strongest marketplaces available. But if your goal is building your own business and creating a recognizable brand that you fully control, Shopify offers the greatest long-term potential. The winner. So, which platform wins in 2026? The winner is Shopify. While Amazon generates enormous traffic and eBay is fantastic for certain types of products, Shopify gives you complete ownership of your business. You control your branding, customer relationships, pricing, marketing, and future growth without depending entirely on another marketplace. If you're serious about building a sustainable online business, Shopify is the strongest long-term choice. If you'd like to try Shopify for yourself, You'll find the official link in the description below. If this comparison helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which platform you would choose.